Guangzhou Yinglang Electric Appliance Company, established in 2002, which is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of hair dryer, hair curler, located in Nanling Industry Zone, Guangzhou, China, which is nearby subway and Baiyun Airport. We enjoy convenient transportation, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In our factory, we have a plastic mold workshop, 3 assembly lines, advanced testing equipment, and packing machinery. Our company occupies an area of 3,863 square meters and has advanced facilities. With export license, we export products to Southeast Asia, North America, and Middle East, etc. Except our own products, we provide OEM, ODM services, and accept customized order as well. Our company has 1 CE, ROS, GCC, CCC, TIS, FCC, etc. international certificates. We attend Cosmoprof Hong Kong exhibition, Cosmoprof Dubai exhibition, and Canton Fair in Guangzhou. Strict quality control is performed in every procedure, from material sourcing, processing, and testing to packing. Our company adopts the business philosophy of quality first, people-oriented, good faith as the root, and strives for excellence in craftsmanship. Whether selecting a current product from our present catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create win-win situation. Thanks for your highly concerns.